Listen up, entrepreneurs and business leaders. It's 2025 and the digital world is booming louder than ever. Social media isn't just about likes and shares, it's the key to unlocking your brand's true potential. It's about connecting with your audience on a personal level, building a loyal community, and driving serious business results. Think of social media as your 24/7 storefront, your global stage, and your direct line to customer hearts and minds. In today's hyper-competitive landscape, a strong social media presence isn't optional, it's non-negotiable. But here's the catch, simply being present isn't enough. To truly crush it in the social media game, you need a winning strategy, the right tools, and your finger on the pulse of the latest trends. Get ready to transform your social media presence from mediocre to magnificent. Let's cut to the chase. Building a killer social media presence requires more than just posting randomly and hoping for the best. It demands a strategic approach that focuses on engagement, authenticity, and delivering real value to your audience. First things first, forget about chasing every fleeting trend. Instead, focus on building a strong foundation with these core strategies. Community building. Turn your followers into a tribe. Create spaces where your audience can connect, engage in meaningful conversations, and feel like they're part of something bigger. Content is king, but strategy is queen. Craft high-quality, engaging content that resonates deeply with your target audience. Develop a well-defined content strategy that aligns with your brand values and provides genuine value to your followers. The power of storytelling. Humans are hardwired for stories. Capture your audience's attention by weaving compelling narratives into your content. Employee advocacy. Unleash your brand's secret weapon. Your employees are your most authentic brand ambassadors. Encourage them to share their expertise, experiences, and passion for your brand on social media. Play the long game. Focus on building a sustainable social media presence that delivers consistent long-term results. Managing multiple social media accounts can feel like juggling chainsaws while riding a unicycle. But fear not, my friends. There's an arsenal of powerful social media management tools out there designed to streamline your efforts and boost your productivity. Here's a rundown of some of the top contenders in 2025. Buffer. This user-friendly platform is a scheduling superhero, allowing you to plan and publish your content across multiple social networks with ease. Hootsuite. A comprehensive social media command center, Hootsuite offers robust analytics, multi-platform scheduling, and even allows you to monitor brand mentions and engage in social listening. Tailwind. If Pinterest and Instagram are your jam, Tailwind is your new best friend. This tool specializes in visual content scheduling and analytics, helping you optimize your pins and posts for maximum impact. Experiment with different platforms and find the ones that best fit your workflow and help you achieve social media domination. Section 4. Riding the Wave: Trends Shaping Social Media in 2025. The social media landscape is constantly evolving. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to keep your finger on the pulse of the latest trends. Here's a glimpse into the forces shaping social media in 2025. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we create, manage, and consume content. From AI-powered content generation tools to predictive analytics, AI is becoming an indispensable asset for social media marketers. Influencer marketing isn't going anywhere, but it's evolving. Authenticity is more important than ever, with brands shifting their focus towards partnering with micro-influencers and creators who genuinely align with their brand values. In 2025, it's all about creating immersive, interactive experiences that captivate your audience. Micro-virality is the name of the game, with brands leveraging social listening to identify and capitalize on niche trends within their target audiences. Section 5. AI and Social Media, a Powerful Partnership. Let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of AI and its growing impact on social media. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, it's powerful, and it's transforming the way we connect and engage online. Imagine this: AI-powered tools analyzing your audience data in real time, identifying emerging trends, and even crafting personalized content tailored to specific user preferences. That's the power of AI in social media. But here's the key: AI is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity and ingenuity. Use AI to enhance your social media efforts, not to automate them entirely. Authenticity and human connection remain paramount in the age of AI. AI-powered writing assistants can help you generate ideas, write social media captions, and even create entire blog posts in a fraction of the time. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of social media data to identify sentiment, track brand mentions, and uncover valuable insights about your target audience. Embrace the power of AI, but remember to wield it responsibly and ethically. Section 6. Crush it on social media actionable tips for lasting success. We've covered a lot of ground, but it all boils down to this: taking action. It's time to turn these insights into tangible results. Here are some actionable tips to help you crush it on social media and build a lasting online presence. Social media is all about connection. Show your personality, engage in genuine conversations, and don't be afraid to let your brand's human side shine through. Social media is a two-way street. Pay attention to what your audience is saying, respond to comments and messages, and use social listening tools to gain valuable insights into their needs and preferences. Don't be afraid to try new things, experiment with different content formats, and learn from your mistakes. Consistency is key to building a loyal following. Post regularly, engage with your audience consistently, and stick to a content calendar that aligns with your brand's goals. Provide valuable content, offer exclusive insights, and share your expertise generously. Stay curious, keep learning, and never stop experimenting with new tools, strategies, and trends. Now go out there and crush it.